Hey guys, I got all 4 tire chains on. I'm all made and put on. I'm gonna redo the original one, so I can get rid of those pieces of baling wire that hold it to the wheel. I'm just gonna add a link across, so it's got 3 links, and I'll drop the side down. I'll take a couple links out of each sidewall, but oh well, it'll work, and then that way they'll just stay on. Yeah, let's see what it does. It's got all 4 now, so. Oh man, not a problem. Not a problem. That is cool as crap. It does not have a problem with that. That is so cool. Heck yeah, guys. Tire chains are the way to go. Like I said, they take a while to make, but they're well worth it. I mean, if you want to come out and have fun in the snow, you know, there ain't much else you can really do. So this way, you can come out in the winter time and go crawling and not worry about it. Oh yeah, it's not having a problem at all. Very, very cool. Very cool. Whoops. Hit a drain to clean out. Oops. Yeah, guys, this thing is, she mean, man. Even slow, I mean, slow speed, it's not having a problem at all. But there again, I got the weight down low with the weight of the chain, you know, and that I think really helps it. But yeah, guys, this is cool. Now this is going to be a dedicated set of tires where I'm not taking the chains off. I'm leaving them on, these tires, forever. And they were basically my worst tires that I had. They came on my axial SCX 10 55 Ford, and they were just kind of junk. But so I went ahead and offered them up for this, and I'm glad I did, man. This is cool as hell. Like I said, it does not have a problem. So cool. Alright guys, well, I'm gonna let you go, and I just wanted to do a video here, show you guys what was going on. I got them working. So anyway, we'll talk to you later. Take care. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Glad you found it, and stay tuned, guys. Take care. Bye.